Left-hand driving is absolutely one of the most whack things I think I've ever done. So I'm about to embark on what is the biggest solo journey I have ever done in my life. I'm heading off to America. It is currently 5:30 a.m. I'm on my way to the airport. And guys, I'm headed to America not only to pursue my dreams, but to do some drifting as well. So make sure down below, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out and it's free of charge. Oh, I'm so tired. Sydney is freaking busy at 5:30 in the morning. What the heck? Like, why are you on the road? Go to bed. I don't know why I'm yelling at 5:30 a.m. Okay, we just checked into the airport. We're in Sydney Airport at the moment. I am hella tired. This morning was a bit chaotic. I'm going to download a few things to my computer. We actually snagged an exit row. It's really good because I'm really tall and 15-hour flight on a booked out flight without an exit row, super rough. So we're just checking out some breakfast now. Hopefully I can get a little bit revitalized and feel a bit better. So. You're not impressed. Alrighty, so right now we are in Connecticut. Yesterday's flight was absolutely the death of me, and it was just hectic. I've never really done that amount of flying in one bout, and it was like 14 hours, and then there was a 3-hour layover, and then 7 hours, and both of the flights were full, and yeah, it was hectic. But yeah, everyone, this is Eric. Meet Eric. Welcome to America, guys. Yeah, this is who you'll be seeing in the next few videos. So one of the really cool things about Eric is he actually has a turbo Miata, and it is baller as. Like, so this is his little one-car garage, and honestly, it fits really well in here.
Perfect Miata-sized garage, honestly.
So this car is pretty well just another version of how Ruby's set up. It's got a small turbo. It's not forged, so it's making around the same power as I would be making. Destroyer die suspension. It's got a hydro. Got some bucket seats, harnesses, a hydro, quick release. Really tiny turbo. They're like way smaller than kind of what I'm running, but makes more power.
Yeah, it probably makes like 220-ish, I would say.
Yeah. I'm only running like, I don't know, between 200 and 210. Keen to see how this sounds. As retro as
all the obnoxious goodness. Right?
Yeah. Is it like a tsh, or is it a flutter?
It flutters at lower RPMs, and then it's very when you're like closer to redline.
And so you have the Destroyer die rear setup, hey?
Yeah, the rear drop knuckles with dual calipers.
You got a dual caliper setup.
Yes, sir.
See, I've got inline. Yeah, has a lock on this thing. Oh baby.
Just for cut knuckles, it's pretty good.
Yeah, like this has no like aftermarket upper or lower arm, just extended tie rods and then a cut knuckle. I just noticed these rims. Look at that! Oh fuck! Holy! Does anyone here ever say the word MX-5?
It's usually always Miata, unless you're like a real diehard.
Oh yeah. So in Connecticut, they have these, like they have registration called the classic vehicle registration. So once a car's 25 years or older, they can actually register them as classic vehicles, and then kind of like all like modification rules just out the door. Must be nice. This thing's sick. He's just doing some lock to lock to get the power steering nice. Feel?
You know, it's hard to test because it doesn't really work when it's not moving anyways.
Yeah,
but
fair enough.
The pump's not screaming.
Yeah.
So it must have
fine.
fluid, yeah.
Like, what do you do when it rains?
Drive, what do you mean?
Oh, you drive, right. How good is this thing?
It goes away.
That's crazy.
Good old welcome there for you.
I always wanted manual windows in my one. Sick. This is. Yep, this is as scary as I thought it was. Even like, just the fact that, like, I feel like most people, like, am I already on the wrong side of the road? Am I supposed to go that way?
Yeah, you're fine. It's okay. You're already this way. Go this way. Stay on the right side. Yeah.
Like when most people would get into like the other side of the road, you're in an auto. You're not a manual. Oh, oh no.
Yeah. What?
What?
Your blinkers on the wrong side. Yeah.
Oh, this is super whack. This is weird. Look, I may have said that this was gonna be easy or not too hard tomorrow. This is gonna be mega hard. Holy crap. That sounds so good. All yours.
Yeah. Dang, crazy lightning.
Trying to get the harnesses on. Yeah. Well, that was exhilarating, but now it is raining, so I have swapped out of the seat because screw this. Oh yeah. Damn. While it's still fresh in my memory, left-hand driving is absolutely one of the most whack things I think I've ever done. It feels crazy. It's just like pushing my clutch in with my left foot, but shifting with my right foot just doesn't feel natural whatsoever. And I feel like I got used to it towards the end, but tomorrow is gonna be an interesting day. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll be on the skid pan. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Test it out there.
Yeah. Is it gonna be open?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Thank goodness. Well, that was fun to drive left-hand drive for the first time. That was good. Thanks for taking me out.
Oh, of course.
That was sick. Tomorrow's definitely going to be an interesting day. It's going to be a fun day.
I think you'll be fine.
Yeah.
It all makes sense when you're out there.
Yeah, it'll just click. Alright, well, it is getting like pretty windy and it's, oh, yep, you can see the rain. It's just starting to come down now, so it's going to see if it passes, and wow, it gets windy as here. And see you later for when we have to load this onto a trailer. We're literally outrunning the rain the whole way here. We're very lucky we didn't just get caught in some massive storm. Oh.
Oh, it is coming.
Yes, it's coming.